Just weeks before the stock market crashed in 1929, the Travelers Hotel opened its doors for the first time. As the Great Depression hit, New Braunfels was particularly devastated by the boll weevil blight, crippling the city's once booming textile industry. Despite hard times, the Travelers prospered, due chiefly to the determination of its founder, Walter Faust Sr. This four-story Spanish Renaissance-style hotel was designed by Harvey Smith at a cost of $120,000. Renamed the Faust in the 1930s, it was also known as the Honeymoon Hotel because it was popular with soldiers and their brides before setting out for war. The 60-room hotel was renovated in the 1980s. It's a historic Texas landmark, and it retains the decor and panache of the 1930s with finely crafted furniture, a beautiful mirrored elevator, grand lobby, artwork from the period, antique piano, and a vintage microbrewery in the spirit of good German fun. And speaking of spirits, the Faust also has the precarious distinction of being the most haunted hotel in Texas. After the death of Walter Faust in 1932, a remarkable series of events began to occur. The furniture on the fourth floor started being rearranged, fans suddenly shifted into high gear, elevator doors mysteriously opened, cold spots were felt, and chairs scooted themselves back into place. Faust's portrait is even spookier. One night, when the power was out, a light was seen radiating from a small lamp that lit the portrait of Walter Sr., a lamp whose power was cut off years earlier. There have been other sightings. People have seen a little girl run straight through solid walls, and they've also seen a ghostly apparition of a man who's seen tipping his fedora as he enters the elevator. But the spirits are reported as being more docile than devious. So modern travelers go out of their way to book rooms at the old Travelers Hotel well in advance of their vacation to New Braunfels, noting that a chance encounter with Casper only adds to the beauty and mystique of the Faust, the most haunted hotel in Texas.